we've just acquired this absolutely gorgeous Mercedes A-Class diesel AMG, gleaming black metallic in this sun, front park distance control, absolutely unmarked smoke chrome alloy wheels, immaculate condition, bodywork's lovely. It's got a reverse camera, full AMG body styling kit with a twin exhaust at the back. Absolutely beautiful. Wheels really set it off as well. Boot space is immaculate, lovely condition. The half leather Alcantara red stitch piping trim shows it's the AMG. Same on the front, sport seats, electric windows, electric mirrors. This is a facelift version, so it's keyless start. You've got a larger screen, 6-speed gearbox, a multifunction steering wheel. Try to get to the mileage. Bear with me a second. 63,205 miles. Reverse camera. It's got a sat nav but just needs the SD card, up-to-date SD card. Climate control, all very nice and cold at the moment. Full menu system there, media pack, Bluetooth, cruise control. Looks absolutely stunning inside. Lovely looking car. DJH offer full dealer facilities, clean finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.